Alright, here we go. Another legacy in the house. Here's the info. This one's rated at, well, it's saying 1000 watts. I highly doubt that, but maybe it's 800. I'll be happy with that. Anyways, ended up grabbing this one as is, or for parts. Let's take a closer look. Down here, we got a little bit of a crossover action going on. You got the see-through windows. Got these little vent holes here, which I think they're imitation, or it's just the heat sinks, basically, the fins. That's pretty much that. Let's check out the bottom. Pretty cool little ridges going on over here. Got a few stickers. Don't like that one. It says made in China, but that's okay. Shout out to China, by the way, for keeping us on our toes nowadays, right? And then you have your model number and your serial number. So let's go look at the business end. Okay, we'll start here, I guess. You got your power supply. Fuse. Fuse is missing. I'm thinking it's either going to take a, maybe, I think it's a 30 amp, maybe? I don't know. And then this one is a 4-channel. So that's that. Screws don't look too bad. Flip it over. You have here your remote, your power and your protection lights, your high input. Don't have those connectors, and also this side here don't have that as well. And then you have your channels for your RCA's input. Not bad. A little heavy on this. So first things first, let's take her apart. Let's start taking out these screws. While I'm doing this, and grab a bin up here, and we're working on. That's right. I believe the other legacy was bin number 1 as well, huh? So hopefully this one goes as smooth as the red. What was the name of that one? It was a Red Series, I believe. Alright, let's take a closer look at this thing. I don't see anything jumping at me other than being dirty. It's not too bad. The other legacy was worse. Oh yeah, I found a problem already. I'm sure you have already. Right down here. See that? All that black residue? Yep, you guessed it. 2 of the FETs look to be blown. Let me see here. Yeah, oh, it may only be 1. You can see right in here. Let me get the light in here real good. Hey, might as well put that on there, right? There it is, right there in that corner. See it? Yep. So, looking at right here, this one. Okay, so I already know that's gone. Guess we could take a look like this, see if we see anything else. If you guys see anything, let me know. Sometimes I miss things, yeah. So having you here helps out a lot. Yeah, I don't see anything else. Alright. So, what we're going to do is the sides here. Flip this over this way so you can see, and you see these screws? That's what I'm going to be attacking right now. You're probably not going to be able to see like that. Let me see if I can figure a way you can see here. Not much of a view, but the screws holding the RCA's input. Alright, so that's done. Let me see if this comes out. Yep. Anything underneath? File that off to the side. lay it on top of each other. It's chrome. It's going to get scratched up real easily. Yeah, so I got to get inside here on the side and then take that out, and I got to take out this. Let me look for a fuse. We're going to go with a 25 amp for now. It don't really matter at this point. It's just for testing. I'm curious to see if we're going to be charging up these capacitors. Alright, we're going to go to ohms there. And first things first, we're going to apply here, this here, and see what we get. If we see it climbing, then that's a good sign. See how I stopped there? That's a bad sign. So we have a problem. Okay? So it could be that we have either the caps or hopefully not the coils. Could be anything actually. Let me double check this. Sometimes I guess this. Oh, you know what too? Because this burnt fat is the power supply, it could be just that. Well, I already know it's bad, but if this beeps when I touch those legs and it beeps, then it's shot. No good. Yep, there we have it. So that one's shot. Let me, just for shits and giggles, let me try the other one. Okay, also over here is the power supply. Okay, so only one FET is blown. Cool. I'm gonna take this out first. That way I can get inside here with a screwdriver to loosen all that up. Now, these are special screws, so I don't know, I'm gonna try to separate this, and by separating I do one of these suckers. Go like this and just place it in your bin, and the sticky part is there, then this, and then that creates a little ridge, see it? So you got two little compartments. Okay, this should come out now. Let me look here real quick. That's awkward how they did this here. I don't like that. That's why they have the glue. That's a shitty design. Whoever came up with that. Well, anyways, alright. File this off to the side. Make sure the dog don't get it, right? Grab these. These are for your switches. That right there. And yep, all I have to do is take all these screws alongside here and along here. Okay, other side. Here's where it's all burnt. You can see the bottom of that. Yep, that's an easy fix when you see it like that. Instead of diagnosing, instead of using your equipment for hours trying to find something that's not visible, you can't find it in a way. Okay, so that's good. Now that I have to just grab these and pull them out. These FETs, yeah, see them? Very well made. It's pretty decent actually. As I'm looking at the machining on here, the machining is not that bad. If it was made in China, they actually did a decent job. So, shout out to that. Set that off to the side. Now, I'm just going to grab these here. And I'm going to start over here. and just pull them up. Slow. Just to make sure they're off. See, like this one's really tight. Okay. And the same thing on this side. So it's basically grabbing it and pulling up. See? Loosen. Loosen. Little one. That's already good. These are the rectifiers. And you have your IRF Z34N, which, oh man, I don't have it. I was close. 44N. Damn it. But who knows, man? I might have it in somewhere else, like in there or somewhere else. I don't know. But damn, very close on that one. All right, just to the side over here. Yeah, so she's ready to come out. So let's slide her out. There we go. Let me just hold this while I grab this heatsink. Place this here. Look at all this like cobwebs. First things first, we're gonna take out this FET. We know it's shot. It's no good, so it needs to come out. Beautiful. Oh, this is gonna come out nice and easy. It must have just got so hot that it just freaking. Look at that. It's already out. That's what I mean. See that? Yep. Alright. So since I'm here, I'm going to clean this up so I can prep it for the next FET. And I don't know if I'm going to order a new one or do I have it in stock. I don't know. I still got to go check it out. Okay. That's good. And that's good. That's just that. Okay. A little bit of a mess over here. There we have it. And okay, good. Well, I'm gonna check. I already checked the other ones when it was out of the board, but we're gonna double check. Throw this out. This is no good as well. Man, this thing fried. Somebody was driving this hard, really hard. I'm going to do a little test here. For shits and giggles, I am going to place this one here, okay? And you remember when I put the meter to the power source, it wouldn't climb. Let's see if it was just that FET, that blown FET, and that's the reason why it didn't climb. Now I'm having another one, so, and look, it is climbing. So it was the FET. Yep. There we have it. This amplifier is probably fixed after this. See that? Yep. I bet you that's all it needs is that. But I could be wrong. You never know. But that's what I'm thinking. Alright, let's see if I can repair this bad boy right now. Let's see how this is going to go. Kind of does look a little bend here. Let me see if I can bend this first. These legs go like this. Actually, you know what? No. It would have to be like this, right? No. Wait a minute. What am I doing? a little bend there, and then it comes out. Yeah, so it has to be way down here, something like that. And then it gets bent over here. So let me see that, and then something like, is it this way? Let me see. Jeez, this is really getting confusing. Yeah. Oh, I'll just force these, just like that one. Not force it, but you understand, you get it. Alright, so that goes there. Let me get the soldering iron. Put some solder on this tip. Put one, and then I'll go back to it, do a better job, just to get it going, right there. Go here. There we go, that's a nice one. Second one, middle. Alright. Let's look at that, see how that looks. 1, 2, 3. Not too bad. Okay. Alright, so now this amplifier is actually ready to put some power through this bad boy. Oh, there we go. Got a light. Got the green light. Let me just check this real quick. Okay, yep, that's looking good. So we're getting output there. That's the bottom. That's the top. That's the positive, negative. Okay, and now I'm just gonna turn this light back on. And now I'm just adjusting the sound wave. Oh, you know what I think? I think that I'm in the wrong setting over here. Like, maybe these RCAs belong here. That's what I'm thinking. Alright, let's do this again. Oh yeah, there it is. You hearing that? Let's see if I can turn up. Ooh. There we go. Had it. Where is it? Right there. Look at that. It's a nice square wave, huh? Shut that off, but nice square wave on that amplifier. It's a little jittery. I need a stand for this camera here that I'm holding. Anyways, yeah, looking pretty good. So I'm going to go off camera here and I'm going to test everything, make sure everything's all nicey nice. Alright, check that out. American Legacy Series 2 high power amplifier. She's all buttoned up, all cleaned up.